I make money with apps similar to the Merchandiser app every single day, such as Field Agent and Moby. And I tried using the Merchandiser app, but I stopped for some very specific reasons, and now I don't use the app at all. And the first reason is that most of these jobs, although it looks like they pay a lot more, most of them you're going to have to interact with the staff. And I said this in my other videos about Field Agent and Observa that the jobs where you have to interact with the staff could take a lot more time than it's worth by the time they call the manager and by the time they actually understand what you're doing. So if you look at these jobs, $14. This is not like a photo audit for Field Agent or a delivery where you just go there and take a picture. This is like a regular job contract. So you're going to request this and then they are going to ship it to you. So the next reason is these jobs are far more complex. You're going to have something shipped to you, and then you're going to have to set it up. So if we press preview, plan your visit. You have to go between 8 a.m. and 7 p.m. You have to wear appropriate attire. So you're not going to be mystery shopping. You have to wear like a button down and nice pants or nice shorts. And you're going to have to print a letter of authorization. If you were just heading home from somewhere and wanted to see if there was any gigs, you couldn't do this because you would need a printer and you would need to have the actual stuff shipped to you and then bring it there and set it up. The next reason is this app is really strict. So I tried doing these. I tried going to talk to the staff. But if you reserve a job and you don't end up doing it, your reliability score would go down. I didn't know this. Like Moby and Observa Field Agent, if you don't do it, pretty much nothing happens. Once your reliability score gets below like a 2.5, you have to request the jobs or you can't even reserve jobs at all. So I couldn't even go and do these now. I don't know how I get it back up if I can't reserve any, but that's the way it is. So make sure if you actually want to go and do one, that you when you reserve it, you actually plan on doing it and you actually complete it. And if you can't complete it, try to like contact support and stuff, because once your reliability goes down, you're done with your account. And really, I'm a little disappointed in that. The next reason is they actually will text you and send you notifications like almost every day when jobs aren't done to try to get them done. So I got, hello, can you complete these jobs? Can you complete these jobs? $5 bonus per visit. Kind of annoying. I don't like getting bothered. The reason why I like doing these type of apps is because like I'm my own boss and you don't have to deal with a job or deal with a schedule or deal with anyone bothering you. And this app just bothers you all the time. Next is some of these are misleading. So this says $30. So it says $30, so you think it's going to be like a $30 delivery or something like a $30 gig on Field Agent, but it's actually $17 an hour. So they're just getting you to go there to work hourly for $17 an hour, which I guess is pretty good in some places. I don't know, but the reason why I like doing this type of work is because I don't want to work hourly. I want to get paid per job. So the Merchandiser app, if you're willing to talk to the staff, if you're willing to wear appropriate attire and get stuff shipped to your house and you're looking for a more stable job and not just another side hustle income, then go with the Merchandiser app. But if you want to just make quick money, do a couple gigs here and there and add to your overall income, watch this video about Field Agent because I think it's a much better app.